I actually just washed and conditioned my hair today, so you're seeing it pretty fresh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Simone. Welcome to this video. So today I am doing a hair update. It's been a while since I've done a hair update. I've done natural hair updates in the past. You can check out the playlist that I created with a bunch of different hair videos, and there should be some in there. But today I'm doing a 8-month relaxed hair update. So the last time I truly cut my hair, I wore a pixie cut before relaxing it and growing it out. So the last time I did a pixie cut to my hair was March 2nd of this year. So March 2nd, 2024, I cut my hair into a pixie cut for the very last time. So cute, love the hairstyle, and now I'm on a journey where I'm growing out my relaxed hair, and my goal right now is to grow it into a very healthy, relaxed bob. So I'm going to start doing monthly updates for you and for me. I want you to be able to, have somebody to go on a hair journey with, or maybe we have similar hair textures. So I have 4C hair naturally. And so if you have the same texture and you're thinking about going relaxed, hopefully this will help you. But yes, so it's 8 months post pixie cut. I actually just washed and conditioned my hair today, so you're seeing it pretty fresh. I was wearing my hair in a bun for my best friend's wedding that just passed, and I had that bun in for 2 weeks, which is not abnormal for me. I love a good bun. It's my favorite protective style. My favorite way to just keep my hands out of my hair and give my hair a break is to put it in a bun. So I wore it in a bun for 2 weeks. You're seeing it freshly washed and conditioned. I do have some new growth. 7 weeks ago, I did a relaxer. So I'm 7 weeks post relaxer. I do have some new growth, but it's not too bad. It's not showing too bad. Also, my last trim was on September 25th. I just trimmed it myself. I cut it pretty blunt, straight across, like right underneath my earlobes, because I figured it's probably best if the hair up here catches up to the hair down here. So working on that, but this is my hair. 8 months post pixie, and it's doing pretty well. I think I've had a lot of growth since then. I feel like I'll reach my goal by New Year's. Fingers crossed. It's feeling really, really healthy and really strong. I did really love having my hair in a bun for the past few weeks because it's just so easy. And I love the look. I love how I look with a slick bun. It's just nothing better than that. I don't know what it is. So even though this update is coming out mid-month, I want to start doing monthly updates at the very beginning of the month. I wanted to get this one up though because I want to make sure that I have this documented because it's almost New Year's and I want to see how far I've come. Here's the other side. Am I in frame? Hopefully I am. Oh, and these glasses that I'm wearing are blue light glasses from Target. If I can find them online, I will leave a link down below. Or something similar. If I happen to have a picture of my hair about a month ago, I want to put it right here so you guys can see a little comparison. Let me know down below if you are more focused on length or the overall health of your hair, because for me on this journey, yes, I want to grow a healthy, relaxed bob, but I also want to make sure that the quality of my hair is improving too. So I'm hoping to see the fullness and for it to be shiny and to have movement, and it's doing the things so far. If you too are on a relaxed hair journey or just a hair journey in general, I hope it's going well. Anywho, that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below where you are in your journey. Do you have any favorite products? Is there any specific video that you like to see from me? And please consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed already. I'd love for us to stay connected here on YouTube. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.